Delegation is not dumping. It begins with you recognizing that you have too much to do. Do not make these 3 common mistakes when delegating. And we're starting right now. G'day, I'm Nikki from Easy Online Biz Solutions and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to improve your lifestyle and cash flows in your online business or traditional business, starting right now, subscribe and click the bell to not miss anything. Your parents might have said, or drummed it into your head maybe, the best thing to get something done right is to do it yourself. Solid advice. But if you're too enamored about doing it your own way of doing things, you never learn to delegate well. Delegation becomes necessary when you rise further up your career ladder and become too busy to juggle all the tasks that you have. Delegating can be uncomfortable, and delegating well is very tricky. Delegation mistakes lead to loss of time, frustration, and bad outcomes. Now, I'm sharing with you 3 of the most common delegation mistakes. One, and it's a biggie, micromanaging. If your employee is properly trained, delegate the outcome, not the process itself. If you're giving someone a task to help train them, please call it training, not delegating. Find your balance. Give enough space for people to make some decisions and grow. Monitor and support them to ensure the work is done efficiently. Clarify who is responsible for getting the work done, because ownership is reduced if there is confusion about who is responsible. And this ownership is a key source of pride and one of the big benefits of delegating. Number 2, not having a trust but verified check-in. Dedicated tasks aren't fire and forget. They require occasional check-in to ensure someone's doing them. Check in as the work is getting processed, not the night before it's due. While it's best to trust your people, you can't assume a particular individual understood what you handed off. Instead of because they want to know why you handed it to them, not the person next to them. This might seem contrary after me saying about micromanaging. But scheduling check-in points will enable you to discuss any concerns and hit deadlines. It also establishes accountability and lets your team know you expect. If they don't get it done at a timely manner, then you know they're not the right person and you have to find another person to delegate to. But don't be too hard first go around. As long as you have to be crystal clear on exactly what you want them to do. Number 3, delegating to the wrong person. I'm sure a lot of people have done this. When you think that this person should be able to do it, they've got the right qualifications and things, doesn't mean that they've put the skills in work all the time. Your key goal should be delegating to an employee with the right background and talents to do the job. Now, you've got to take time to match the skills and experience of the person to whom you're delegating to the task to that needs doing. Certainly, you want them to stretch themselves, but it needs to be within their abilities. Now, if you want the rest of those tips of the things you don't do when delegating, go to the description box. I've added the link. Now, want more traffic, conversions, and profit? and a free holiday? Get a free holiday when you purchase from us. Are you looking for a new website? First page Google ranking? A done for you key turn online business? Marketing training, or even a rent to own online store? Now, if you don't need any of these, you can also win a free holiday by referring someone to buy a web and marketing service from us. Now, you can join the referral program today. The link is in the description box. If you have any questions about this video that you want answered, please message us at m.me/easyonlinebizsolutions. Talk soon.